Hi everybody and welcome back to the Quick Fix series by Bildunginteraktiv. This is the place where we pick up like one little problem of the English language that you might have trouble with and give you a quick and dirty explanation. And this time we talk about the difference between beside and besides, what the meaning of those is and when you use them. Let's go. So, beside or besides, we start with a couple of examples and then I'll explain the grammar to you. Come and sit beside me, you can say. Come and sit beside me. Or you say, you can put your bike beside mine. And this is how you use beside, because beside means next to. It is local. It tells you where, next to. Come and sit beside me, or where there's a place next to me, come and sit beside me. And put your bike next to mine, put your bike beside mine. So this is the beside, no S, not besides. Use beside in these contexts. Besides Mike and John, who else was there? Or you say, besides, there is another problem we have to talk about. Once more, besides Mike and John, who else was there? Or besides, there is another problem we have to talk about. Besides with the S means in addition or furthermore or maybe apart from. So in addition to Mike and John, who else was there? Apart from Mike and John, who else was there? Or besides, there is another problem we have to talk about. Furthermore, there is another problem. Moreover, what is more, there is another problem we have to talk about. And that's the difference between those two. So you want to remember, beside is local and means next to. And you can use besides as a replacement for in addition or maybe for furthermore. So when having explained this, I have a couple of sentences for you, just a little exercise. There is no need for a pen. Have a look at that first sentence at the question here and decide whether you would put in beside or besides. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 2, 1, 0. Besides your brother, who else is sick? It's not beside your brother because no one is sitting next to your brother. Besides your brother, who else is sick? Which means that apart from your brother, who else is sick? Or in addition to your brother, who else is sick? Let's do the next one. Again, you have 10 seconds, quick and dirty. 10, 9, 2, 1, 0. I don't think going to the cinema is a good idea. The movie is bad, and besides, I've got a bad cold. And furthermore, I've got a bad cold. And in addition to that, I've got a bad cold. So you need besides in both those contexts here. Same thing. Let's do that again. First sentence, 10 seconds. Go. 10, 9, 2, 1, 0. No one besides the boss can make that decision. No one apart from the boss can make that decision. It's not like no one beside the boss because there is nobody beside the boss. This is not local, okay? No one besides the boss can make that decision. And what about that last one? Let's go. 10, 9, 2, 1, 0. Now this one is easy because at some point there's got to be a beside. What you said was completely beside the point, which is kind of a context that calls for beside. Beside the point is like an English idiom. It goes together and it means something like irrelevant. What you said was completely irrelevant. What you said didn't matter, so that's the idea. What you said was completely beside the point, and no one besides the boss can make that decision. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching, and we see you when you get to the next video. Bye bye, have a good time.